This video here is just basically to show on any of the older Fords, like maybe mid 80s, early 90s Ford that takes that style ignition switch. What I did was I bypassed it because what's going on, this rod inside of here was making it unable to engage the ignition switch all the way. That's why I got it temporarily mounted right there. Or what? It's not my daily or nothing like that, so it's just whatever. But it would stop it from engaging, hence meaning it would either die out or not start or just act weird in general. So what I did, I hooked up a push button start. I wired it up. It's not too bad of an issue. It's through EasyGuard. Got it on Amazon. I'll try to put a link in there somewhere. About 20 some bucks, I think 25 bucks. Comes with all the wiring and whatnot. You just basically got to go online, find out on the existing one which ones goes to which. And when I say this is just a temporary right here until I get everything nice and tucked away and neat and all that fun stuff. But yeah, I got it wired up, got it running to the brake switch. I still have to press the clutch to get it to start. For anyone that's wondering, it's a 1988 Thunderbird turbo coupe, 5-speed. But I say it works on just about any of the older Fords or whatever. But I'll show you. Here's the little sensor ring or whatever right here. It comes with 2 of these. Just gotta put that on there. And then it'll beep to let you know that it's good and ready to go. And
Tyler, there we go. Yeah, go ahead. Now y'all going to lunch.
But yeah, as I say, everything works, and anyone who knows older Fords know that these ignition systems tend to be sort of iffy over the years, and it's kind of hard to come across OEM parts. So yeah, I got it in there. It starts, it goes. Cut it off, and then if I want to, I say had a radio on, I can do that. And I say it's pretty simple. I like it. It's a simple thing. Don't take much to hook it up. All you got to do, I say, I just went online, find out which wire went to what, and I say all in all, I'm happy with it. I can't wait till I actually get everything tucked away, nice and neat. I'm gonna put my start button right here because on my daily, it's right here in the same spot too. So it's won't be having to go through all the trouble of feeling funny when you switch cars back and forth. But yeah, that's it. I'll include the link to it below. That's why I say this is by a company, EasyGuard. Start, engine, stop, keyless go system. And I say it fits multiple vehicles. So just basically just got to find out the wiring, be somewhat good with the wiring. And yeah, you can bypass the whole system and not even have to worry about it.